Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am bringing you this nice glowy look. I like to do this when I go on holiday. I like to also do this sometimes in the summer. It's just really quick, takes 15 minutes and it just makes you look really glowy, radiant and flawless. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you what you need to be doing. Okay, so we're gonna jump straight into the video. So for base today, I'm gonna be taking my Revolution Pro. This is the Goddess Glow Primer. It is such a nice primer, really good for glow and just giving you a nice radiance look. It's got like gold sparkles in, so I'll just show you. This is what it looks like, but it's really nice. You could wear this on its own. It's not too over the top, but it just gives you a really nice glowy, dewy sort of skin look. So I just like to start off with this. And then today we're going to be trying a new foundation. So this is the Milani, I think I'm saying that right, Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So this was like £14, so it wasn't completely inexpensive, but I've been walking past it for some time now and I decided that I want to give it a go. So let's give this a crack and let's see if this is any good. Oh, so it's a good colour. It gives me a bit of a tan, which is nice, but not to the point where it's like, whoops, way too dark. The coverage is really nice. It's quite lightweight, but the coverage is really nice. Oh, this is a really nice foundation actually. The coverage is really good. It does say medium to high coverage, but I actually think this is like a full coverage foundation, definitely. I'm only having to use one layer as well and it's covering pretty much everything. Just take a little bit down on my neck. It has got a slightly thicker consistency. I wouldn't say it's mattifying because you can see I'm still very radiant, which is what we wanted anyway. But yeah, I wouldn't say this is totally mattifying. I don't know what it would be like if you had really oily skin. I don't have oily skin, so, but it's a nice foundation. There's an element of mattifying there, but the primer's still kind of able to come through it. I can still see the primer. But yeah, the coverage is really good actually, really good. And I really like the colour. Just in case you wanted to know the colour I got, it's Sand Beige in 06. I was going to get 07, which I think was sand, but I'm glad I didn't actually because that would have been way too dark. This is definitely more of a tanned colour for me. So yeah, I really like that. Really good coverage. Actually, now I've blended it out a little bit more, it's more mattifying as well, but yeah, that's really good. For concealers, I'm taking my Revolution Conceal and Fix. This is medium beige, this shade, just in case you were wondering. So I'm just going to take a brush if I can find one. You only need a tiny bit of this. I made the mistake last time I did my makeup with this of just applying like loads. It just weren't necessary at all. I just ended up having to smudge half of it around my face. So yeah, that's definitely not what we want. And because this isn't a massive, you know, I wanted this to be a full coverage, but also a very lightweight look. You don't need to be going in with tons and tons of concealer. So yeah, it's just a really nice blends out, brightens. So everything you'd want really in a concealer. Yeah, that's a really good concealer. I really rate that. I'm gonna go ahead and set straight away. There's no messing about today. I'm taking the Lasting Radiance. This is from Rimmel London. This is their finishing powder, but it just has almost little, not glitter, I don't want to say glitter, but little flecks in of glow, which is going to help as well. So I'm just going to pop this all over the face. I'm not using any, you know, big setting powders or anything like that. I just want a powder that's going to set, but is also going to be very lightweight. We don't want anything that's totally going to mattify the face and just, you know, get rid of all the hard work of the glow. So yeah, it just has little glitter flecks in, but not enough to be annoying, if that makes sense. So we're trying a new brow product today. We'll see how this goes. This is the Lime Crime Bushy Brow Precision Pen. I saw this and was like, do you know what? I'm gonna try it. Again, it was £14, so it's not like the cheapest product, but I did really want to try it. I'm not gonna lie, really wanted to try it. Oh, before we put that on, actually, I saw this today as well from Barry M. So this is the Wildlife Tinted Balm, And basically it's part of the David Shepherd Wildlife Foundation. So 20% of the profits go to the Shepherd Wildlife Foundation. So I did pick this up and we'll just see what this is like. They do a few colours. They do like a red, a pink, and then this is called Nude Discovery, which, you know, not sure what that means. I just wanted to include this in the video actually, because they do have a lot of products at the minute that Barry and are donating to a good cause, which is amazing. So this is what it looks like. So my nails are too big, so I'm gonna have to, I'm just gonna, that's so nice. I'm just gonna leave this on while I do my makeup. Obviously you could also put that over a lipstick because it does just give you this gorgeous glow. That's really nice, guys, really nice. I need a tissue. I do love like a tinted balm, especially for like in the summer or if you're sunbathing, it's really warm outside, just because it, you know, you can put it over a lipstick, you can put it over a lip liner, and it just makes the biggest difference. So anyway, sorry, going back to the bushy brow. So they only had limited colors in this. They had a blonde, a brown, a deep brown, which was very chestnutty, and then this shade, which is smoke, which is more ash. So it is just literally a little pen. So I just thought it'd be a good laugh to see how this goes. Oh my God, now I've got hiccups, sorry. I wanna just see, because I thought in my mind, my thought process was this would be great on holiday or in the summer, because obviously we all use like pencils, crayons. I feel like this would be more durable. So I wanted to see, okay, it's quite dark. You don't need to press hard. So I suppose the idea is that you're supposed to draw like little hairs, which I'm just not very good at doing. It's a little bit dark for me, but I don't think it would be a problem. I mean, I've just drawn my brow in like 2 seconds. How does this happen? And it does look very natural. Okay, let's try the other one. I haven't put a load of product in because, to be honest, my brows are quite thick anyway. I know I don't have a lot of brow, but the brow that I do have, it's very easy to use because of the pointed applicator, especially when you get down to like this bit here. Draw on the point, if you like. But yeah, I'm just having to be careful because it is, it's perfectly ash for me, but it is a little dark and I don't want really dark brow. I wish it matched my brows perfectly so I could use it properly. I do find this, I know I've spoken about this before, but because my real hair is like this ash color here and my brows are very ash, they're not brown. So like when I buy like brown pencils for my eyebrows, oh my God, I'll get it out in a second. They're always too chestnutty and it just looks so obvious. So I always have to get, like, the reason I love Benefit so much and Makeup Revolution for their brow products is because they are the only brow company that I've seemed to have found. I think now, hang on, I think Rimmel might do one now. They actually do like an ash brown as opposed to just a brown. This is nice though because it doesn't dry too quickly, so it gives you the chance to like brush it also into place. But once it dries, I mean, that's there all day, right? Yeah, so it doesn't dry straight away, so you do have time to kind of fix it or move it about or whatever you need to do. I really like that, guys. I feel like I might use that on holiday actually, because I do feel like that would be more, like it would definitely stay as opposed to just melting off when you're sweating. So I'm gonna take my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is my absolute favorite brow setter. I absolutely love it. It is completely worth the money if you're considering getting it. Your brows just won't move. They just won't go anywhere. They just won't. They're stuck. They're there forever. So for my lids, because this is like a natural look, I'm not putting anything on my lids. What I will do, which you'll see at the end, is put a little bit of highlighter around my eyes. So all I'm gonna do is just go straight in with my mascara, which obviously is my Autograph Dramatic mascara. And you don't have to use mascara. Again, for this look, I don't always put mascara on. I'm gonna contour using my Rimmel London. This is the Golden Bronze Sculpting. Ooh. I nearly dropped it. So I'm gonna do my contour with this. And I'm definitely not a professional contour, let me just clarify. I like to take it under my chin. So if you bite down, it really refines it so that you can see where it should be. And then do a V here. And again, always take it behind the ear. And then for my cheeks, I just take a little bit, fishy face, like that. And it goes here. And I use circular motions because I find the blend better rather than just then having a massive line. The blend goes way better if you can just use circular motions. And I always do go over it with my powder brush just to soften it out, especially under the chin, because otherwise it is really vibrant and you can see it. But you're meant to like blend up. You can see me doing crazy stuff, but yeah, you're meant to blend upwards like this. So for bronzer, I'm taking my Benefit hoola. I absolutely love this for bronzer because it's really light. It's not really over the top. It's not gonna, you know, make a huge impact, but it does definitely make a difference. Might be different if you've got lighter skin, but for me with my olivey sort of skin, it does seem to work. So again, I just put it in there. I take a little bit, I do a little cringy smile, and then I do my cheeks, just above my cheeks. I've got the wrong brush today, but that's okay. I was gonna say, so basically for my brush for this, and again, I have got the wrong one, so I'm just gonna need to go over it a little bit. I like to use a really fluffy brush because it doesn't leave any harsh lines and it just spreads the product nice and even. So now it's for the bit we've all been waiting for. It's for the actual glow part. So for this today, I'm taking my Revlon Skinlights. This to me is just a perfect colour highlighter because it's got gold in, but it's also got a bit of silver. It's a bit paley. So I really like it because I feel like it's perfect. So I'm gonna take highlighting brush. So we're gonna put this in a few places. We're gonna put it Cupid's bow, cheeks, or cheekbones. And what I like to do sometimes, and I don't do this all the time, is bring it round like that and create like a V. Do you see that? It just creates a nice little V. Now, highlighter is going to be different for everyone. Where I am putting the highlight, you may not. Highlight is very much where you need it, where the light hits. I don't think there's like any rules to highlight. I sometimes like to put a little bit here and just blend it out a little bit as well. But I think again, it's just where the, you know, the sun hits you. So I always get hit here, But again, I like to just blend it out with my finger a little bit because otherwise it's a bit too potent. We don't want it to extremely potent, but you can see, just so glowy. And then also collarbones is a good one. So pop it on your collarbones, just gives you a nice little glow on your collarbone as well, which you can't really see mine today, but you can see that that's kind of giving me a glow. And then because we haven't put anything on the eyes, I'm also gonna take a little bit just below my brow bone, there and there. So I'm also gonna take a really small round brush. I'm gonna pop it in the highlighter and I'm gonna pop it in the corner. Don't spread it too far down because it does look ridiculous, but just in those little corners there. Do you see? So for setting spray, I'm going to take the Dream Satin Mist, which also has just a little bit of illuminator in. And then for lips, I'm going to just take my Rimmel London Lasting Finish pencil. This is in the shade Cappuccino. So two things you can do at this point. You can either take a little bit of highlight and pop it in the middle. I'll show you what it looks like. So again, just take a really small brush, take a little bit of highlight, and you just pop a little bit in the middle. Or you can take a gloss or an oil. I like to use the You Do You from Collection 2000. This is new, and it's just a really lightweight gloss, but it's also got oil in it as well. So it's moisturizing because again, it just gives you that glowy kind of look. So this is the finished makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I tend to use this look sometimes when I go on holiday at night. It may be in the summer, you just want something a little bit different, a little bit glowy. And anyway, that's it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.